Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. Today, I would like to share with you about exercise 14 because the given answer is incorrect. Okay, so now, as we know that we would like to inverse between two functions t squared with sine 3t. Okay, t squared with sine 3t. According to this question, okay, is a combination between the first one is a polynomial and this one is another function. So this one is a ft. Okay, so now to use the properties of the derivative of t transform, we need to identify the n. The n for this equation is 2. So our answer later is -1 power of n, and then we need to differentiate our answer when we transform the ft with respect to s. So now we have our ft sine 3t, and then when we Laplace the function of ft, we will have a for this one, and then we have x squared plus 9 3 squared. So this is our fs. So this one we can find it, then we can get 1. But for this one, okay, please remember we have the n over here. So we have 2 over here, and then we have 2 over here. Means that we need to differentiate this function twice. So when we go for the differentiations for the function of fs, so what we'll get? So some of us are familiar with this arrangement, s squared plus 9 -1 over here. Okay, -1 over here. So what we'll get over here is 3 is a constant, so -1 bring in front. So we have x squared plus 9, and then the power now become -2, and then we need to differentiate inside. We got 2s. So what we'll have here is we combine this one and this one, so we will have -6s s squared plus 9 power of -2, or in another arrangement we will have -6s s squared plus 9 power of 2. This is the answer of our first derivative, but the answer must go for the another derivative. We need to differentiate once again. So differentiate once again for this one, it's either you use the quotient rule, or you can use the product rules. For this one, you can use a product rules, and then this one you can use the quotient rule. So let's use the quotient rule. Okay, how to use the quotient rule? We know that here is u, here is v, and then the formula to find to differentiate is vu prime. So we have v first. Our v is s squared plus 9 squared. Okay, vu prime. So this is our u prime minus with vu prime minus with uv prime. So what is our v prime? Okay, so let me do it clear. So we have f double prime over here, which is v s squared plus 9 squared u prime -6 minus with u -6s, and then we have v prime 2s squared plus 9, and then we have 2s over here, and then the formula is over v squared. So v squared, we have 2 and then power of 2. Now we have 4. So we expand it for this one. So what we'll get, negative 6 s squared plus 9. Okay, squared over here. And then look at here, we can combine this one and this one, and also this one. So we will have 24. We will have 24. So we have negative, we have positive 24 s squared, and then we have s squared plus 9 over s squared plus 9 power of 4. So now we can factorize. We can factorize the similar factor. So what is the similar factor here is? The similar factor here is s squared plus 9. And then we have in bracket negative 6 s squared plus 9. And then we have plus 24 s squared over s squared plus 9 power of 4. Look at here, we have the similar factor. So demolish this one and then this one become 3. So what we'll get over here, we expand this one. So we will have negative 6s squared plus 54 plus 24 s squared over s squared plus 9 cube over here. So we can simplify it, this one and this one becomes 18 s squared plus 54. Okay, is it plus 54? 54. Okay, please be careful. Look at here, class. Please be careful. We have over here, then it should be minus. So here should be minus. So we have minus 54 over s squared plus 9 power of 3. Okay, so now if you want to factorize 18, so you will have x squared minus 3, and then we have x squared plus 9. Okay, power of 3 over here. So this is the answer. So please be careful. Sometimes we did a mistake, but we need to revise again so that we know that where is our mistake. I hope you understand. You can continue study and study.